Still waiting on a couple payments on this, guys. Alright, double check again. Still waiting on 2 more payments here. Come on, come on. Matt, as of right now, there's a couple teams not paid. I'm waiting on a 3-team payment. It's Bengals, Lions, and Rams. That was one person, and then my computer will load, I'll let you know. And then Ravens and Packers did not get paid for it. I'm going to give it about 5 more minutes for these last payments to come in. That trio went for 71. 71 plus shipping. If she doesn't pay and you want all three, I'll do 60 on. Steelers were paid for. I still did not get payment on the Packers, so if you did want them, you could have them for 20. I've seen someone call dibs on them. Alright, I'm canceling the bids on that trio there. Hey Matt, did you want all three of those for 60? We're starting this in a minute, guys. Just trying to sell off these few teams here. I'll do that, Matt. Just PayPal me that, and probably just going to get it started with the other teams unsold. Hey Lulu, we got a few teams I didn't get paid for if you're interested in it. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good, Matt. I got the Lions and the Rams. Did not get paid for. If anybody wants them last minute, I'll let them go for 15 combined. Otherwise, I'll just keep them. You just want the Lions, it'd be 10. Your favorite guy, Nick. Alright, I'm just waiting on that payment from Matt, and then we'll get started. Rams and Lions went for 20 on the auction. Nick's going to take them for 15. Okay, I got it. All right, I'm going to get started right now. Thank you, everybody, for getting in. I'm breaking this one in this group. If you got into my other one, that one is going into a new group that I will be breaking in. It's called ISO Sports Cards. You just check the link inside that auction. It'll show you how to get to that one. But all my breaks will be in that room from now on. So, sealed box here. There's 12 packs in the box. 15 cards per pack. You get the 3 pink ones as the bonus. And I'm going to get started. Again, good luck to everybody. All right. Open up a few of these, and then I'll probably get through some of the small cellos. Just try to get some of this out of the way. I'll save all the pink ones for last. Ron's got Pittsburgh. Somebody was asking if those were available. But thank you for getting in and paying. Alright. Let's pull some fire for you guys. We got Devontae Parker, Steve Young, Cortland Sutton. There's a green Tyler Lockett, Tom Brady touchdown insert, and an A.J. Dillon. You got Charles Woodson, Brian Dawkins, Jarvis Landry, Matt Ryan, Rob Gronkowski, touchdown Masters, Michael Irvin, Hall of Fame, and Kid Reporter. I got another Gronkowski, Mike Evans, a few bucks in here. There's a John Brown, Deshaun Watson. There's a Will to Win Aaron Rodgers, the silver mosaic one. And a Kirk Cousins. We got Aaron Donald, George Kittle, Charles Tillman. There's an NFL debut, Justin Jefferson, green mosaic. Nice card for the Vikings. There's a Saquon got game. And Cam Akers. There's your boy, Nick. You got an AP for the Vikings. Warren Sapp. Patrick Mahomes. Can't tell if that's just a... Yep, that one's off of there. There you go, Mahomes. We got a silver coming up here. There's Hopkins. Calais Campbell. Pro Bowl silver. So Jalen Hurts, NFL debut. And a Kid Reporter. We need them silver rookies. You go for the Jags, though. We got Cam Jordan, Marcus Mariota, Terrell Davis. There's a CeeDee Lamb silver mosaic. Hitting for the Cowboys. There we got Will to Win Julio and a Jonathan Taylor. I really liked him at Wisconsin. I hope he does a little bit better in his sophomore year. Ooh. All right, we got another silver coming. Let's go. And Nick Bosa, Sony Michel. There's an Allen Robinson, Tony Gonzalez, Daniil Hunter for the Vikings, and then a Kevin Green. It's got a nice little scratch in it there, though. Thank you, Panini. Some of these cards have been really bad. Dimples and the print lines. Beautiful cards. You just get them. And few they got that crap on them. Alright, we got a Tannehill, Slayton, Ezekiel Elliott. Ooh, we got a Genesis. Didn't even see that at first. Good luck on that Genesis, guys. Got Dak Prescott, Will to Win. There you go, Jacob Eason. Kind of gave it away there, but we got Deshaun Jackson for the Eagles. There you go. Let's go. Looks pretty good. Nice hit for the Eagles. This we got one rookie quarterback. Eli Manning. There's a Howie Long. Matthew Stafford. You got Cole Beasley. Touchdown Masters, Larry Fitzgerald. And a J.K. Dobbins NFL debut. Got more people trying to get in. Just give me a sec. Alright. I know that's what I'm saying, Matt. They're coming, I can feel it. Yeah, Donovan McNabb. Dan Marino, that's why you can't get him. Oh, is that another Genesis coming? No. Green Mosaic. Got all these vets quarterbacks. Andre Johnson. There you go. Jordan Love, Green Mosaic. Let's go. You ask and you shall receive. That's what you paid for right there. Alright, out of the way, Eason. My boy J Love going in now. Alright, I'm going to save these pink ones for last. I still got a couple more here. Yeah, Lamar got game, and a Tyler Johnson for the Bucks. Over, bro. All right, let's see what I can do. Shitty thing is, I'll probably get a bad feedback for canceling that order, but you know, people don't pay in time. It says right in the listing, breaking the same day, you got to pay relatively quick. I had a lot of people bidding on multiple teams, so I couldn't send out invoices till after everything was done. So I apologize if that took a little while. I don't want to get too many here. Good old Tiki Barber. Joey Bosa. There's a Leonard Fournette. We got another green mosaic coming. There's Kareem Hunt. And Terry Bradshaw, old school. Not what we're looking for. Kenny G, Pro Bowl. Just one sec, guys. Hey, no, we let her out. Just gotta go back. My doggy had to go to the bathroom. What the kids are for. Yeah, an auto would be nice. Anybody auto. I'd like to hook one of you guys up. Danielle Hunter. We got there. It's another green. Got Derrick Henry. Julio. There's a Jason Taylor green mosaic for the Dolphins. Ed Reed, old school. And a C.J. Henderson. Is that the, it's college uni, right? So that's going to be a rookie variation card. All right, you got Zach Ertz, Marshall Faulk, got Josh Allen for the Bills, Devontae Adams, another one for Jacksonville, the Flea Flicker, and an MVP Mahomes. Always sleeve up Mahomes. Come on. Some of these are like super good. There's another J Love on the back. I like J Love, so I'm going to get that one out of the way. That one looks pretty clean too. All right, we got a Jerry Rice. There's Tom Brady for the Bucks. Khalil Mack, John Elway, green mosaic. Peyton Manning, old school. They really waste a lot of these mosaics on these vets, man. Now you got Curtis Martin, Jared Goff, there's Minshew, Myles Garrett, the Got Game Juju Green, Justin Jefferson NFL debut. Some more green coming. Jimmy G. It's Kyle Rudolph, Jordan Hicks, Stephon Gilmore for the Patriots. Todd Gurley for the Falcons, Touchdown Masters, and a Jerry Jeudy. There you go, Broncos. Jeudy on the board. There's a Mike Allstott, Taysom Hill, Phillip Lindsay, Singletary, Metcalf Got Game, and Hall of Fame Sanders. There's your boy. Can't tell if there's something on there or not. We got you a Joey B. I know he ain't getting all the love right now, but this kid's still going to be good. That's what I was talking about right there, if you can see that. Right? Not the debut. I think that's just a rub mark on that card, though. I don't have gloves on today, so I don't want to rub on it. Ran out of gloves, didn't realize it. All right, we got Josh Jacobs, Miles Sanders. You get another Bengal. Boomer Esiason. There's a Jerry Jeudy Green. And a Will to Win Russell Wilson. You go back-to-back Judys. Oh man, is looking good too. There you go, Broncos. Oh yeah. Holding those off. Also, guys, I do have 2 more boxes of this. I'll be posting one to eBay probably tomorrow. I think I'll probably just put it on a 3-day. And we'll break that on Saturday night. If anybody's interested in that. And then I also have Prism Hobby coming. So be on the lookout for Prism Hobby. That should be here Friday. But I might not break that until beginning of the week. You got Richard Sherman, Randy Moss, Kevin King, David Montgomery, Got Game Keenan Allen, and a Jacob Eason NFL debut. All right, A.J. Brown, Lattimore, Mark Brunell. We got a green Larry Fitzgerald. Got Dan Marino, old school, and Zach Moss. There you go, KC. Got a Clyde Edwards back there. Got another silver coming. All right. Chris Godwin. No Tuas yet. Saquon. J.J. Watt. We got Kyle Fuller. This will be our Tua right here, though. Adam Vinatieri for the Colts. It would be a kicker. And then that Clyde on the back. Two more packs, and then we're down to all them pink packs. 12 packs, 3 cards each. Be 36 pink. We got Max Crosby, Deshaun Jackson, Len Dawson, Silver Mosaic Calvin Ridley. These are Barry Sanders, Will to Win. That's another one. No DeAndre Swift yet. And a CeeDee Lamb. I think that's our first CeeDee Lamb as well. Looks like a pretty clean card though. Skipping us on the silver rookies. I'd love to see an auto in these last 2 packs too. Ricky Williams. We got Russell Wilson. Leighton Vander Esch. Lamar Jackson. There's a silver mosaic. Nick Chubb got game. And a Jim Kelly Hall of Fame. Redskins got one on the back. Got a green coming up. You got Edelman, Kevin Byard, Dick Butkus, Boomer Esiason, wrong quarterback. Flea Flicker for the Seahawks, and that Chase Young that was on the back. Damn. Hoping for a little bit better than that. We did get some good cards though. Still got all these pinks. Uh-oh. There he is. Yeah, the Stephon Diggs, Rod Woodson, and there's our Tua, but it's an NFL debut. Damn it. Still a pink camo. Had to be the debut, though. At least we hit one of each on the big quarterbacks. That's good. Oh, no, we hadn't hit no Herberts. No Herbert. I'm hoping for a Herbert in here for you. Got John Elway, Mariota, and a Brian Urlacher. Got Aaron Jones, Marshall Faulk, and Russell Wilson. Fitzgerald, Cam Jordan, and a Justin Jefferson. Vikings had several hits. Good pickup on the Vikings, whoever had him. Or had them, rather. You had a silver Daniil, a couple Jeffersons. I don't think they even went for that much. Going to be our first T. Higgins. Get a Christian Kirk, Cooper Kupp, and the T. Higgins. The base pink camo. There you go. Get Nick Chubb, Jamal Adams, and a Peyton Manning MVPs. There's Vinatieri again, John Riggins, and Cole Kmet. There he is. There's your Herbert. I forgot. Kmet there's going to go in a sleeve rookie card. But we're going to take this one. Oh, it's the debut. It had to give us the debut version. So we had Tua and Justin Herbert in the debuts. I'm just glad we pulled one of each, because been in lots of breaks where you don't get any of the rookie quarterbacks, or just one, or lots of Jacob Easons. Seem to not have a problem finding him. There's another Tua. There you go. Chris Jones, Jared Cook, and there's the regular Tua. Attaboy. That's what I want to see. There you go for the Dolphins. I'm not even sure how much the Dolphins went for. I don't think it was too much. And look at that. Another Herbert. Let's go. Earl Thomas, Zach Ertz, and there's the regular Herbert. Yes. There you go, Chargers. Boy, he's going off in his rookie year. I'm no expert on the centering on these, though, so you guys would have to tell me if that's good or not. Sick card, though. Gonna sit over there with Jackson. Chargers yours, Andrew? Couple of Herberts there right at the end. You got T.Y., Delvin Cook, and a Jalen Reagor. I'm glad we pulled them. I like seeing you guys get your money's worth. Alright, we got AJ Green, Cam Chancellor, and Troy Polamalu, Hall of Fame. And that's going to be it. Some of these I'm still going to top load. Just going to go through these real quick. You had Zach Moss, Eason debut. Jerry Jeudy. There's the Jefferson debut. Mahomes MVP. C.J. Henderson with the rookie variation. Ty Johnson. J.K. Dobbins debut. The Silver Daniil. Jonathan Taylor. Silver CeeDee Lamb. Calais Campbell. That's a silver Pro Bowl, actually. I don't know if I noticed that earlier. Yeah, the Jalen Hurts NFL debut. Cam Akers. And Justin Jefferson NFL debut green. That's what's not in top loaders. Just the sleeves. Here we got Jacob Eason base. The Jordan Love base. There's Joe Burrow base. Jerry Jeudy green mosaic. Clyde Edwards-Helaire base. CeeDee Lamb base. Chase Young. Pink camo Justin Jefferson. T. Higgins. There's your Herbert NFL debut. Pink camo. The Tua NFL debut pink. Jordan Love green mosaic. Justin Herbert pink mosaic. Pink camo, that is. Deshaun Jackson in that Genesis card. These cards look sweet. And the Tua base pink camo. Thank you very much, guys, for getting in. I should have these sorted. I'm hoping by tomorrow. If not, I'll make sure I got them all out on Thursday. Got one more break to do. If you guys are in that break, make sure you join that other group. It's ISO Sports Cards. The exact name is ISO Sports Cards, Sports Talk, and some Trash Talk. Great group of guys in there. I'm an approved breaker in there now, so I'm trying to grow that group. All right, thanks for getting in, guys.